I'm Christian Cheng. So I'm from Uratex, but before I introduce Uratex, I'm actually a brand marketing executive of the company. So I heard with regards to how I heard Tangere first, was from a former colleague. So he recommended Tangere to us, and he really pushed for it because he knows that he really mentioned that the service is really good and you really get real-time data, and they can do a lot of not customers, a lot of consumers. They can interview a lot of consumers. And at first, I was like, okay, sige, like, I don't know who Tangere is, but well, let's try. I mean, my colleague recommended this. He has past experience with it from the companies he's previously worked in. So, yeah, I mean, we'll try it. Okay, before using Tangere as our market research partner, we didn't really have a consistent market research partner like we get from other agencies who also have provided for us the necessary info. But this one kasi it's not a one-time thing, it's a long-term thing yung sa Tangere. And I know Tangere really cares about their customers. And so that's what we felt with Tangere, na nasusulit yung bayad, nasusulit yung services, and you know, we've really become partners na hindi lang, sige, one-time research lang, tas hindi na kami ma-update ulit sa mga consumer study. I think our last one was 2019 pa eh. Yung pinakahuli before Tangere, pang 2019 or 2022. So medyo matagal na. When Tangere came into the lives of Uratex, it's like every 3 months we have a research study, and it's good for 1 year. So parang sobra kaming na-update when it comes to the consumer behavior, kasi it changes all the time eh. Consumer behavior changes all the time. Mas nagiging meticuloso yung customer ngayon. So parang nakikita namin yun sa mga studies namin with Tangere. And talagang both sides nagtatumbling talaga just to, you know, get the best output. And we actually report this to management, to our direct heads, kung ano yung lumalabas sa data ni Tangere. And use namin siya when we make new products, when we make new programs for the annual business planning. So, sobrang hands down kay Tangere talaga. I've never seen a market research agency rather, na grabe yung technology na ginagamit. Real-time lahat. Tapos, alam mo yung tuturuan ka pa gumamit ng dashboard na sobrang complicated sa una, pero pag in-extract mo yung data one by one, may makikita ka rin bits and pieces of analysis na pwede mong magawa eh. Parang, ito pala si consumer A, ganito pala ito matulog. Or si consumer B, mahilig pala sa specialty pillow. And that's with the help of the dashboard. It's the first time that we got that service ever. And it's also growth for everyone's skill set in Uratex. Marunong sila gumamit ng dashboard na yun. And mas natuto kami magbasa rin ng data because of you guys. As in, like, I remember that one time na tinuruan kami ng Tangere para lang magbasa ng dashboard. Parang sabi ko, wow. And even our boss uses that. My direct boss uses that. We all use it as colleagues. So, it's super valuable talaga for us. Yung mga technology na ganun. Napapadali buhay namin. Imbis na kami mano-mano magsa-survey. I think culture-wise ng Tangere, it's very the same with Uratex na talagang down to earth. Like, we strive to be down to earth and very courteous with one another. We do everything with respect and we do everything in the best way we can. So, kaya nafe-feel ko parang pati yung cultures halos nagmamatch. Kasi very magalang, tapos very enthusiastic din. And yan yung pinopromote din sa amin dito sa company. And I see that the cultures align also. Kaya parang working with you guys is no problem. It's like we feel na parang may extension. It's like we feel na may extension ng Tangere sa office namin or kami sa inyo. Parang ganun ka seamless yun. Ganun ka seamless talaga yung connection. The cultures are very much aligned. So pero it's very practical. And we don't need to like email na parang, "Dear, ganito, I'd like to, kailangan ko ng ganito na listahan." Parang just one Viber, nandyan na yung sagot. And we don't need to be too formal, which Eurotext isn't, alam mo yun, hindi kami sobrang formal din. We're very practical yung way of working, and I see the same with Tangere na, may processes kasi corporate yan, pero it's very practical with the way you guys work, and it's very aligned with the way we work as well, na practical din naman yung way of thinking, way of working. Hindi pa yung ang daming bureaucracy. That's why for me, Tangere is the agency to pick talaga. I mean, no joke. Oo.